Before I plant tomato seedlings, in each hole, I add something that the old gardeners always used. This natural fertilizer strengthens the plant, supports growth, and gives a richer crop. I prepared tomato seedlings and natural fertilizer. Let's go to the garden to plant tomatoes. I make a hole 10 centimeters deep because tomatoes like deep planting and strong roots. The distance between the holes is 40 centimeters, so that each plant has enough space to grow. I add a little coffee grounds to each hole, as it enriches the soil and improves the soil structure. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. They help faster growth and strengthen the plant. The sediment helps the soil to retain moisture and the roots to develop new vessels more easily. I always mix the coffee grounds with the soil so that the nutrients reach the roots. I plant the tomato seedling deeper than it was in the pot so that it grows a stronger root. Tomato seedlings can take root from the tree. That's why deep planting gives a stronger plant. I lightly rake and level the earth so that there is no air around the roots. I plant tomatoes when the danger of frost has passed. I press lightly so that the plant immediately connects with the moist soil. After planting, I water well with natural nettle fertilizer. Tomatoes planted this way usually grow faster, are stronger, and produce many more fruits during the season. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.